Sushi, Japan. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish that consists of vinegared rice served with a variety of ingredients such as raw fish, vegetables, and egg. Sushi is considered an art form in Japan and is typically made with the freshest and highest quality ingredients. There are many types of sushi, including nigiri, which is a small ball of rice topped with a slice of raw fish or other ingredients. Maki, which is a type of sushi roll made with rice, seaweed, and various fillings. And tamaki, which is a hand-rolled sushi cone filled with rice and various ingredients. In Japan, sushi is often enjoyed at specialized sushi restaurants called sushi ya, where the chef, or itame, prepares the sushi in front of the customers. It is also common to see sushi being sold at train stations and department stores as a quick and convenient snack. Sushi is typically served with wasabi, a spicy green condiment, and soy sauce for dipping. Pickled ginger is also often served with sushi to cleanse the palate between different types of sushi. Sushi has become a popular food around the world and is often served at Japanese restaurants outside of Japan. However, it is worth noting that the quality of sushi outside of Japan can vary, as it is difficult to source the same high-quality ingredients that are readily available in Japan. Overall, sushi is an integral part of Japanese cuisine and culture, and it continues to be enjoyed by people around the world. Here is a recipe for a simple and delicious sushi roll that you can make at home. Ingredients: 2 cups sushi rice, 4 sheets of nori, dried seaweed, 4 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Fillings of your choice, such as avocado, cucumber, cooked shrimp, or cooked tuna. Instructions: 1. Rinse the sushi rice in a fine mesh strainer under cold running water until the water runs clear. 1. Transfer the rice to a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. 1. Bring the water to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer, covered, for 18 to 20 minutes, or until the water has been absorbed and the rice is tender. 2. In a small saucepan, heat the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt over low heat until the sugar has dissolved. 3. Transfer the cooked rice to a large mixing bowl and pour the vinegar mixture over the top. 3. Using a wooden spoon or rice paddle, gently fold the vinegar mixture into the rice until the rice is evenly coated. 4. Lay a sheet of nori on a sushi rolling mat. 4. Using wet hands, spread a thin layer of the sushi rice over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. 5. Arrange your fillings of choice in a line down the center of the rice. 6. Lift the edge of the sushi rolling mat closest to you and gently roll it over the fillings, using the mat to shape the roll into a cylinder. 6. Keep rolling until the entire sushi roll is tightly wrapped in the mat. 7. Use a sharp knife to cut the roll into 8 to 10 pieces. 7. Serve the sushi with soy sauce and wasabi for dipping. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like any modifications. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.